Good evening. My name is Wasiganankanai Somgande. I'm a student at Calcutta University. I'm pursuing a BA LL.B degree. So I'm going to present on a topic titled The Essentials of a Valid Contract. So a valid contract is an agreement which is legally enforceable according to Section 2H of the Indian Contract Act 1872. A contract it is an agreement enforceable by law, but not all agreements are contracts. Certain legal requirements must be fulfilled. So our first legal requirements for a valid contract, we have an offer and an acceptance. So by this we mean every contract begins with a clear offer and an acceptance. Both parties must agree on the same thing in the same sense. This is called consequent aid idiom. Without a valid offer and an acceptance, a contract cannot exist. And the second one, we have intention to create legal relationship. The parties must intend for the agreement to create legal obligations. Social or domestic promises are not contracts. A valid contract must show seriousness to be legally bound. And then our third one, we have lawful consideration. Consideration is what each party gives in return. It could be money, services, or goods. For a contract to be valid, the consideration must be legal and against public policy. And then we have our fourth one, which is capacity of parties. So only competent person can make valid contract. The parties must be at least 18 years old, of sound mind, and not disqualified by any law. If not, the contract becomes invalid. Also, there should be free consent. Consent must be given freely. If it is obtained through force, fraud, misinterpretation, undue influence, or mistake, the contract becomes voidable or invalid. So genuine agreement is essential. We all have lawful object. The purpose of the contract must be lawful. If the object is illegal or immoral, like gambling or smuggling, the contract is void. Contract against public policy are not enforceable. We have not essentially declared void. The agreement must not be one which is already void by law. For example, agreement in restraint of trade or marriage are void. Such contracts have not legal value even if contracts and consideration exist. Conclusion. To conclude, a valid contract must fulfill essential elements like free consent, lawful consideration, capacity, and legality. So without this, an agreement is just a promise, not a legally binding contract. Thank you.